How to turn off music haptics on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your phone vibrates when you play music and you do not want it, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your iPhone and go to Settings app. Now scroll down and find Sounds and Haptics. This is where you control all your vibrations and sound feedback. Now, if you are on iPhone 16 and iOS 18 or above, you will see the option called as Music Haptics. You can simply toggle it off and your iPhone will stop vibrating when music or audio is playing. However, if you do not have iPhone 16 or above, in that case, you will see the option of System Haptics. Just toggle the option off. While the system-wide music vibration is controlled by general system haptics, it is not tied to music playback specifically. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.